Okay, this is Kosho. I'm out here at the park again where Matt got some lessons, and this is going to be a maiden of a AR7210BX that I just picked up at horizonhobby.com. They are back in stock now, and we're going to give it a whirl. So I'll probably have to do some tuning, but I'll let you in on that, and so you can see. This is the new smart Avion ESC, the 100 amp version. It's basically got a fan on it and stuff. It's pretty hot out here right now. It's got to be 90 degrees. So anyway, check it out. And then again, we're just going to test it at first, and we'll set it down, maybe make an adjustment or two, and then bring it back up. Well, I just set it up. It looks pretty good already. So this is 55% throttle. So 65% throttle. Very locked in. So we always kind of just jostle it a little bit, make sure that you've got a negative pitch. Forgot to bring a screwdriver. Pretty good tail rotor. Stunt 2. This is 75%. Again, check the heli. So at 75%, I got a little bit of leaning back right now. I'm going to show you in real time here. This is probably where I'm going to fly the heli, and as you can see, it's coming back a little, so we're going to tune that out and show you how to do that on the AR7210BX. Okay, so we're coming over here to the BX, and basically I'm gonna see if hopefully you guys can see this. I'm gonna tap one time. It was coming back, so we're going to compensate. I just tapped one time. It's the first part of the setup in parameter. We're going to give it 1-2 clicks, and that's it. And you go through the whole thing. So now the helicopter is trimmed. Should be anyway. We can keep doing that as many times as you need to do that. That basically compensates. You know, I eyeballed the swash plate basically to get it level. Here we go. Slow spool up, heli mode. It's gonna go right into idle 2. I really like this gyro. Flies really good and smooth, and it's an easy setup. No lie, I just took one gyro off and put another gyro on, and easy setup. It's a series of LED flashes, basically. Nice low pass. Fly a little past the timer. battery's soft. Let's land. There you have it, Micro Beast. AR7210 from Horizon Hobby. Too smooth. That's a little out of track. We'll fix that later. So there you have it. This is the AR7210BX from Horizon Hobby. So now you have a choice of the 6250HX or the AR7210BX. I'm a lazy guy. I personally like push button, set it up, and go fly. So the 6250 is infinitely adjustable, and it's a great gyro. But if you're going to fly it at an expert level, it will take you a couple days to set it up and do the PID level gains and things like that and play with it all. So anyway, hope you all like that. Thanks a lot. Co-show.